Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Arvind Kumar Sharma from Department of Library and Information Science, Maharani Lakshmibai, Government College of Excellence, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Today we are going to discuss about a module, Information Literacy Products, under the paper Library Use and User Studies. The objectives of this module are, after reading this module, you will be able to understand the meaning of information literacy products. Enumerate the various information literacy products. Categorize various types of information literacy products and provide bibliographical details of various types of information literacy products. Dear students, as you are aware, libraries and information centers have always been treated as the repositories of public information for posterity. A library and information science professionals work for disseminating information and knowledge through various kinds of products and services. Now, library and information science professionals are striving to empower the users so that they can use information resources optimally on their own. For this purpose, library and information centers and other agencies have initiated information literacy and related programs across the world. Various organizations and individuals have been contributing in preparation of various kinds of information literacy products. The present module is an exercise for mapping out various types of existing academic products in India and abroad. Workers says that academic libraries have played an important role in information literacy developments in Europe. Information literacy initiatives in higher education have taken a variety of forms: standalone courses or classes, web-based tutorials, course-related instruction, or course-integrated instruction. No doubt, academic libraries and other libraries have played a significant role in the development of information literacy programs and in taking new initiatives. IFLA's guideline on information literacy for lifelong learning enumerates various information literacy related terms such as information influency, meaning of product. Information literacy is defined in the module 20 of this paper. Here attention is paid on information literacy products. Informational products can be both tangible and intangible, having basic attributes, which can be identified and recognized by the user. Each product, identifiable by a brand name, has some specific features. A product is always prepared to satisfy the needs of a targeted group. Various types of products have been prepared or compiled for satisfying the never-ending needs of the users. International Technology Education Association (ITEA) in its report, Standard for Technological Literacy defined the term product as a tangible artifact produced by means of either human or mechanical work or by biological or chemical processes. Information literacy products are tangible and intangible also, and this definition is giving more stress on tangible artifact. Merriam-Webster Online Dictionary defines the term product as something that is made or grown to be sold or used, something that is the result of a process, someone or something that is produced or influenced by a particular environment or experience. This definition is very wide and incorporates various dimensions of products. Meaning of product. In the present century, planning a product or service is a managerial skill which also involves administrative as well as financial knowledge. Comparatively, it is easier to launch or produce a product, but it is difficult to create a brand value and sell the product in a competitive market. Library and information science professionals have to be more specific in this regard. If planning to launch a product or service or initiatives, library and information science professionals must have proper planning. Planning involves knowledge, skill, experience, customer knowledge, information seeking behavior of customer, knowledge of existing products, need of resources, financial requirements, etc. In this module, an attempt has been made to give overall scenario of information literacy products. Various types of IL products. IL product is a very wide term and incorporates a variety of materials appearing in print, electronic, and other forms. It is very difficult to enumerate all the categories of information literacy products. Some of them are following. Print form of products includes bibliographic literacy instruction, bibliographies, books, cartoons, comics and posters, handbooks, oblique manuals, library brochure or pamphlets, reports, etc. Audio reading products are cassettes, CDs, VCDs, video. Online products are blogs, weblog, database, electronic journals, online models, online reports, online toolkits, online tutorials, websites. New initiatives or programs includes conference workshops, helplines, mass media campaign, webinars, projects, etc. Print form information literacy products. Information products have been appearing in print form for centuries. It is widely accepted and used by the common man to have access to information products. Even in the present electronic scenario, it is popular and used by a large number of people. Radar has given an exhaustive list of various information literacy products in his article Information Literacy 1973 to 2002, a selected literature review. In the article enumerates various information literacy products with full bibliographical details. Some information literacy products available in print form are enumerated in the following heading with bibliographical details in the reverse chronological order. Bibliographic literacy instruction. Bibliographic instruction empowers the user for locating needed information on their own. Various publications have been brought out for teaching users how to search information. Some such publications are listed below. Gratian, E.S. and Kamplovitz, J.R. Information Literacy Instruction, Theory and Practices. New York, Neil Schuma. Biban, A.K. Hogan, S.A. and George M.W. Learning the Library, Concepts and Methods for Effective Bibliographic Instruction. New York, R.R. Bowker. Lovans, J. in 1978, Progress in Educating the Library User, published from New York, R.R. Bowker. Beeler, R.J., Evaluating Library User Instruction, Ann Arbor, M.I., Pierian Press. Lovans, J. in 1974, Educating the Library User, New York, R.R. Bowker. Kirk, T. Academic Library Bibliographic Instruction, Status Report, 1972, published from Chicago by Association of College and Research Libraries. Bibliographies. Bibliography provides a list of resources. A list of bibliographical resources is enumerated below. Library Instruction, a Bibliography, 1975 through 1985 by T.C. Shea, 1986, Jefferson, N.C. McFarland. Lockwood, D.L., ed. 1979, Library Instruction, a Bibliography, Greenwood. D.L. Lockwood in 1970, Library Instruction, a Bibliography, Westport, C.N., Greenwood Press. These are the bibliographies published in the field of information literacy. Books. Book has always been popular medium for disseminating ideas. Various books have been published on information literacy related matters. A select list is given below. Mackay, Thomas P. and Jacobson, T.E. 2014, Meta Literacy, Reinventing Information Literacy to Empower Learners, USA, ALA, Neil Schuma. Davis, Co. S. and Hensley MK 2013 Common Ground at the Nexus of Information Literacy and Scholarly Communications USA ACRL. Regens P. ED 2013 Information Literacy Instruction that Works, a Guide to Teaching by Discipline and Student Population USA ALA Neil Shuma. Solomon A. Wilson G. and Taylor T. 2012 100% Information Literacy Success, 2nd edition, Boston, USA, Wordsworth, Seenage Learning. Clark C.C. and Mayer R.E. 2008, E-Learning and the Science of Instruction, San Francisco, FIFA. Allen M. and Madigan D. Editors, 2006, Digital Literacies for Learning, London, Facet Publishing. Lupton M. 2004, The Learning Connection, Information Literacy and the Student Experience, Adelaide, Oxley. Gord T.W. 2002, Information Literacy and Workplace Performance, Westport CN, Quorum Books. These Roberts S. and Keating K. 2000, Library Instruction, a Peer Tutoring Model, Eagleboard, CD, Libraries Unlimited. Bruce C. 1997, The Seven Phases of Information Literacy, Blackwood, Oxley. CSIR also published various self-explanatory books on information technology under the IT literacy program in India. Handbooks and manuals. Handbooks provide factual and pinpointed information on a specific subject or topic in a systematic order so that a user can search or locate information easily. Some relevant handbooks and manuals have been given below. Cox CN and Lindsay EB, editors, 2013, Information Literacy Handbook, USA ECRL. Eisenberg M. and Berkowitz R.E. 2003, The Definitive Big Six Workshop Handbook. Core DF 1985, Reference Services and Library Instruction, a Handbook for Library Management. ACRL Bibliographic Instruction Section 1983, Evaluating Bibliographic Instruction, a Handbook, Chicago, American Library Association. ACRL Bibliographic Instruction Section, Policy and Planning Committee, 1979. Bibliographic Instruction Handbook, Chicago, ALA. Library brochures or pamphlets. Brochures or pamphlets are the part of library materials, even if they are not catalogued or bound in the libraries. But these are valuable sources of information. Generally, libraries publish brochures or pamphlets to keep the users informed about their products and services. They provide up-to-date information and are provided free of cost to the users. Niscare, NASDOG and others have published brochures for the publicity of their products and services. Online reports. Various associations and organizations have prepared reports on information literacy related issues. These reports are available in print as well as online. Reports can be accessed at American Library Association Presidential Committee on Information Literacy final report, a library advocate's guide to building information literate communities. Uh, High level colloquium on information literacy and lifelong learning, Bibliotheca Alexandriana, uh, Egypt. Online toolkits. Toolkits are developed to help the students in locating the needed information, such as Griffith University Information Literacy Toolkit. These reports provide in-depth information on information literacy related matters such as American Library Association 1989 Presidential Committee on Information Literacy Final Report Chicago ALA. Audio and video products. Audio and video materials are referred to as non-book materials in libraries. Audio-video products include CDs, DVDs, cassettes, videos, etc. Now many publishers provide printed materials with CD or DVD containing the same material. Various libraries store reading materials in audio and video form. Audio-video products are helpful to the user as well as persons with disabilities. Online products. With the mass availability of electronic gadgets and internet, the online products are getting importance day by day. Various information literacy products are produced in digital form and can be accessed online by the users. Blogs and weblogs. Wikipedia defines a blog as a blog is a discussion or informational site published on the World Wide Web. Various library and information science professionals are posting and maintaining blog on www. Sheila Weaver is maintaining an information literacy blog on the net. Some are listed below. The information literacy land of confusion can be accessed at www.information-literacy.net. Information wants to be free can be accessed at meredith.wolfwater.com/wordpress. Library assessment can be accessed at libraryassessment.info. ACRL log can be accessed at acrlog.org. In the library with the lead pipe can be accessed at www.intelibradpipe.org. Information literacy librarian can be accessed at infolitlibrarian.blogspot.in. To databases. Infolit Global. This database is created for UNESCO by the IFLA, and this database includes worldwide resources on information literacy. This database can be accessed at www.infolitglobal.info. Electronic journals. Electronic journals, e-zine, webzine, online journals are prepared and distributed electronically. These journals brought out articles on information literacy. For example, Information Research is a international electronic journal and can be accessed at www.informationer.net/ir/. Online models. There are various information literacy models available online. Professionals can access these models online. Big 6 can be accessed at big6.com. SILIP information literacy model can be accessed at www.ciip.advocacy-awards-and-projects/advocacy-information-literacy. Plus, purpose, location, use, self-evaluation model can be accessed online. The SCONUL 7 Pillars of Information Literacy model can be accessed at www.sconul.ac.uk. AASL American Association of School Librarians Standards for the 21st Century Learner can be accessed at www.ala.org/aasl/files/contents/guideline standards learning standards AASL underscore learning standards. ACRL Association of College and Research Libraries Information Literacy Competency Standard for Higher Education can be accessed at www.ala.org/acrl/standards/information literacy competency. Conference, seminars, and workshops. Various conferences, seminars, and workshops have been organized on information literacy at national and international level. According to Workus, the first international conference on information technology and information literacy was held in Glasgow, Scotland in 2002, and the second conference was held in 2003. A total of 143 people from 13 countries, including librarians, information technologists, and academics, attended this first conference. Others are All India Conference 2030 was held at Pune and organized by ISLIC. In this conference, a special interest group meeting was devoted to information literacy. International Conference on Information Literacy was held at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in 2006. Indian Library Association also has organized All India Conference at Kurukshetra in 2005. The focus was on libraries, information literacy, and lifelong learning. Proceedings was also published. In 2005, An international conference, online or web-based tutorials. Online tutorials guide users in understanding academic phenomena. They help users in various ways and promote academic environment. Griffith University Library Research tutorial can be accessed online. In India, Delhi University Library System has prepared an online information literacy tutorials which can be accessed at crl.du.ac.in/ot/tutorial.html. This online tutorial has 5 modules. Module 1 is basic computing, module 2 web browser, module 3 online e-resources, module 4 web resources, module 5 citations. Websites. Institutes and professionals have developed various websites exclusively for users to help them to become information literate. For this purpose, various integrated information literacy programs, models, and projects were developed. Some noteworthy websites are enumerated below: infolit.org, www.informationliteracy.org.uk, www.ala.org/acrl/standards, fleetwood.baylor.edu/lirt/, www.cclibinstruction.org. New initiatives and programs. Various programs have been initiated to promote information literacy at international and national level. Organizations have taken keen interest in organizing conferences, seminars, mass media campaign, helplines, and webinars in order to promote information literacy. Webinars. Various schools of information and library science are hosting and organizing webinars on information literacy. Various information literacy webinars organized time to time are available in AASL, a division of American Library Association Professional Development Repository. Projects. Government, non-government organizations, and corporate houses have taken various initiatives for promoting digital literacy or bridging digital divide in India, especially in rural India. The projects are Akshay Project, IT Kiosks, IndiaAgriLine.com, Information Village Research Project, eChaupal, iShakti of Hindustan Lever, NIRD schemes, NATP project, Rural E-Seva, Rural Library Network, Green Star, Janamitra scheme, GRID Center, Gyandoot, Digital Gangetic Plan, Tarahat project, Drishti project, Rajnidhi scheme, Rural Market, Lokmitra project, Wide Village project, Community Information Centers, SARI network, CLIC project, etc. These projects have been very effective in information dissemination and in promoting information literacy or digital literacy in rural India. Helplines. Literacy helplines help the learners in finding information literacy products and services. One such helpline is Literacy Alberta Helpline. Number is 1-800-767-3231. Mass media campaign. Mass media campaign is an effective and popular media for information diffusion. Message can be sent to masses by using this media. Government and other organizations are using this medium to inform a large section of society. This media is widely used to promote health literacy among masses. Some mass media campaigns are ALS Public Awareness Campaign Program can be accessed at www.ala.arg/advocacy/vleg/public awareness/campaign@your library. NCERT also promotes utilization of educational technologies, namely radio, TV, films, satellite communications, and cyber media. NPTEL, NAPTEL, National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. It also provides e-learning through online web and video courses in engineering, science, and humanities streams. Recent trends in information literacy products. Information literacy products have gone a paradigm shift from print to digital. In the United States of America, European countries, Japan, China, and in other developed countries, information literacy has received deserved attention. Various types of information literacy products have been brought forth to empower the library users. Information literacy is at initial stage in India. Some universities and institutions have taken initiatives to promote information literacy here. A few universities have incorporated information literacy in their syllabuses, uh, but much more is required to be done. Library and information science professionals must work harder to spreading information literacy, as information literacy is an astra for mass empowerment. Now some of Indian universities and institutions are also engaged in bringing out online information literacy products. Today we are focusing on group to individual or general to specific. So information literacy products should be prepared accordingly. Let us conclude the module. As you are aware, at international level, various fruitful and effective efforts have been made for popularization of information literacy. India is way behind as far as the spread of information literacy is concerned. It is not feasible to quantify the amount of literature available on information literacy worldwide, especially in the electronic environment. According to one estimate, More than 5,000 publications related to library user instruction and information literacy have been published and reviewed in the past 30 years, as mentioned by Radar. In the Indian context, little has been done for information literacy, and leisure care has been taken for the preparation of information literacy products. Information literacy products are self-learning instruments for users, hence must be developed as per the need of the user. Thank you.